jeez, it's been so long, I don't even know if I remember how to do this. It has been a while. It has been a minute since I last uploaded a video to my YouTube channel. I think it's been like 5 months, maybe even 6. No, I think it was around Halloween I uploaded my last video. But I have just been so busy that I had to make the decision and let my YouTube rest for a while. As many of you guys know, I am a mom, so obviously that takes up a lot of my time. I am studying to become a teacher, so that takes up a whole lot of time as well. I also work some, you know, I'm a makeup artist. I work in the healthcare a little bit to get some extra money. I paint and I sell my paintings, and then the holidays came up and it has just been a lot going on, and now it is April and we are here. Anyways, in today's video I'm going to show you guys an easy way to create your very own face cast or face cast. I don't really know how to say it in English. It's like face cast is maybe British and face cast is more American. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna show you how to create your very own face cast, and it's actually way easier than you might think. I mean, if I could do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it as well. If you are like me and you like to create different types of masks, SFX makeups, and prosthetics and stuff like that, like to have your own face cast, like a mold of your own face to work on, it's like an essential, it's a must. It's just so much easier to create all of those SFX makeup stuff without like to fit your own face perfectly, but without actually working on your face. Or as I've done a lot, to take like Play-Doh and try to make a mold of my eyes or my nose and stuff like that. It's just so much easier to have like the exact measurements to work on, but not on your actual face. You can like work on the table, on your face, does not appear. Anyways, another little FYI to keep in mind when you're watching this video. I actually started to film this I think last October. So that is why I don't look the same here in this clip as in the clips of me actually creating the face cast. So my hair don't look the same, I don't look the same. I had some breakouts going on in the clips you will see in a minute. Just try to not focus on that, focus on what I'm actually doing. But I promise you guys, it's actually me doing the face cast, even though I look like this now and I looked like that a few months ago. Also, another fun thing is that you want to stay tuned till the end of this video, because I have a very exciting giveaway that I will be making in this video. I will give you more details about the giveaway in the end of the video, so make sure that you stay tuned. I mean, check out how to create the face cast, and then we will talk about the details of the giveaway. However, I can tell you that I know that it's kind of hard to get your hands on the things, like the main things that you need to create this face cast. So I will be giving one of you guys the 2 main things, which is some craft plaster and some plaster gauze. So without further ado, let's jump in, or jump back a few months, and let me show you guys how to create this, and then we talk about the giveaway. And now that you know how to create your own face cast, this is how mine turned out, as you probably saw in the video as well. And this is how it looks now, still all good. I know it kind of looks a little bit complicated, but actually when I did it, I remember I was actually surprised of how easy it really was. Like, you follow the instructions on the back of this craft plaster. Anyways, I've been absolutely loving it. It's really easy and convenient if you're working with, like, example, latex paste. There's a thicker latex. You can just pop this whole thing in the microwave once you're done sculpting it, and it will come out and be just perfect. And if you feel like the glue on this face cast kind of jewels down and it's not as shiny anymore, or the prosthetics and the things that you are applying on it actually starts to stick to it, then you just put another layer of wood glue or craft glue. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump into the details of the giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, Makeup by Nadia. You have to give this video a thumbs up and then leave a comment down below on this video and letting me know what you're most excited about for this coming summer. Personally, I'm actually going on vacation with my boyfriend and the kids, and we're just gonna have a blast this summer. I'm so excited for summer to come here. It's just a few weeks and then we are both on vacation, no work for a few weeks, and we're gonna travel and just have a good time and create memories as a family, and I'm so excited for that. The giveaway is international, so no matter where you live in the world you can enter, and it will be open from today, which is April 29th of 2022 until May 29th of 2022. So it will be open for a full month, and you can enter as many times as you want to, but if you're gonna enter many times, or as many times as you want to, make sure that you switch up each comment, so you just don't copy and paste, because that's not gonna work with YouTube. You're gonna be called a spammer and I won't see the comment at all. So if you want to enter multiple times, then you just make sure to switch up the comment a little bit. I mean, you can be excited for a lot of things this summer. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon in one of my next videos. Bye!